Welcome back. Now I'm going to tell you how to launch an XSS attack via Location.href. Location.href is quite often processed by modern web applications, and that's the reason why I'm going to discuss this attack. So let me right now present a story for you so that you've got a better understanding of how this attack works. This link is visited by a user, and this link is like example.com/ and some random string of characters like AM, F, H, TW, whatever, right? What I mean here is that this is a link to a non-existing resource. That's why we've got a random string of characters after the slash. And now let's assume that the response of the web application is like this. I mean, actually the source code of response. Sorry, but the page script document write location href close script has not been found. This response is interesting because we can see here JavaScript processing. And what actually happens here is that the DOM of the web page is changed. That's the first thing that we can notice. And another one is that there is no sanitization here. And this is very nice from a hacker's backhunter's point of view, because it means that an XSS attack is just a matter of time. And to be more precise, we are talking here about DOM-based XSS because the DOM of the web page is changed as a result of a JavaScript processing. That's why we are having here DOM XSS, just to be more precise about the type of XSS that we have here. Okay, so far so good. This is what we can just learn from the response, right? We can learn that the DOM of the web page is changed. We can see that there is no sanitization. So we are going to have a DOM XSS here. But the question is actually how to deliver our payload and attack a user. And here is the exemplary payload. Example.com/xxx. XXX is a kind of non-existing resource. And then we've got a hashtag. And after the hashtag, we've got something like this: img src1 on error alert XSS. So let me tell you exactly what it is. Source 1, well, it does not exist. So on error is going to be triggered, and on error is an alert with a message XSS, which is very nice from the proof of concept point of view. So this is how we can really prove that this vulnerability can be exploited. And in the upcoming video, I will show you step by step how it works in the demo. And what I'm going to tell you more before we go to the demo is that you need to launch this attack in Internet Explorer to make it work. Because this attack doesn't work in Firefox. And the reason why it doesn't work in Firefox is like this. Special characters after the hashtag are URL encoded in Firefox. So Firefox provides a kind of mitigation of this attack, but Internet Explorer doesn't. So this attack works in Internet Explorer and it doesn't work in Firefox. But remember all the time that a developer made a mistake here. There is no sanitization. So this is the root cause of the problem, and this vulnerability can be exploited. And it turns out that it can be exploited in Internet Explorer. In case of Firefox, as I mentioned, there is a kind of browser level mitigation, but still it works in Internet Explorer, and this is what I'm going to show you in the upcoming video. So basically this is it, and what I want you to learn here is that even if you find a vulnerability, then the exploitation is sometimes browser dependent, and this is what you also need to know. Don't give up so early if you don't see that your attack does not work. Maybe there is a kind of browser dependent mitigation that prevents your attack from happening, so try in another browser, okay? So, okay, right now, let's jump to the demo and let me show you how it works in practice.